Hey guys, I hope it's not too windy out, but I am in a different part of my house right now. And today, I have a blunt for you. I'm still in my PJs. So yeah, we have some bird friends joining us today. But let's just get started. I've noticed I've been having very long intros lately. I need a thumbnail. So how are you guys doing? Good, I hope. Also, I hope you guys find these birds relaxing. So, if you guys are not aware, there are 2 extra people in my household, and my cousin is in my usual smoking spot, so I'm right next to my window, and that's my brother's window right there. And it is very, very hot. I wish I could share with you guys. I haven't smoked with anyone that isn't related to me in so long. So these pajamas used to belong to my grandma. I'll show you, 1 second. And they fit me like a glove. Also kind of matches my nails on this hand and my toes. This is literally the only thing I have pink. Just this hand. I'm supposed to be learning Czech because I'm going to the Czech Republic next year to study abroad. And hopefully around that time I will be making revenue on YouTube. We'll see. Speaking into existence, fingers crossed. But it gives me more time to save up because it's supposed to be in May, and I found out about it really last minute, so it kind of worked out at the same. Oh gosh, it's so windy right now, sorry. But it kind of worked out, but whatever. I really wish I could have went. I adjusted the process anyways, but it still worked out. But yeah, I had to learn Czech by next year, so I'm going to be practicing that. And also, France is, I think, like 7 or 9 hours away from the Czech Republic by train, so I'm going to try learning French too. So if I have any French subscribers, go ahead and speak French in the comments so I can practice, but still put English just in case because I'm going to practice Czech first. I only know a couple of words, so I have a lot of practice to do. I kind of stopped since the trip's been canceled, but I have until next year, so I need to get started. So I don't want to look stupid in Europe. all the part that we're going to. It's a touristy spot, so there's a lot of English speakers there. So yeah. There's another car coming. 1 second. Damn. I always get so scared I'm gonna burn my hair. But yeah, let me know what you guys are doing for quarantine in the comments below. Because I actually want to know what you guys are up to also. So yeah. I'm not doing much. School starts again Tuesday online, so I have an exam for 2 classes Tuesday and a paper due. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing until Tuesday. And trying new missions on Grand Theft Auto Online. I could try doing a video to show you guys how I do that, but I don't know how people do that screen recording thing on their TV, so yeah. I could probably record it from my phone, but I've been doing a lot of different missions I've never done before on that, online with my brother, and like other people sometimes too. I'm gonna put this out now. So I've been catching up on GTA Online. I have more video games I can be playing, but GTA is my favorite, so yeah. And then I've been cooking a little bit, not really, it's just salads with shrimp, but I feel like I make the shrimp taste better every time, and I've been changing the salads up or just doing a plain Caesar salad with shrimp and tomatoes because I like that. So yeah, I did homemade croutons, but the breadsticks are expired now, so yeah, I'm just gonna have plain salads for the next couple of days. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've been up to. So I'm going to stop boring you guys to death now with my rambling. So I will see you guys next time.